Hey there, home cooks! Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect chocolate flan at home. This rich, creamy, and indulgent dessert is a fantastic treat for any occasion, and it's surprisingly simple to prepare. So, let's dive right in. First, let's gather our ingredients. For the caramel, you'll need 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of water. For the flan mixture, grab 1½ cups of whole milk, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 100 grams of chopped dark chocolate, 4 large eggs, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Got everything? Great! Let's get cooking. We'll start by preparing the caramel. In a small saucepan, combine the sugar and water over medium heat. Stir gently until the sugar dissolves, then stop stirring and let it cook until it turns into a deep amber caramel, about 5 to 7 minutes. Be careful not to let it burn. Next, quickly pour the hot caramel into the bottom of a flan mold or individual ramekins. Tilt them to evenly coat the base, then set aside and let the caramel harden while we prepare the flan mixture. Now, let's heat the milk and chocolate. In a separate saucepan, heat the milk, heavy cream, sugar, and cocoa powder over medium heat. Stir until the sugar dissolves and the mixture is warm but not boiling. Add the chopped dark chocolate and continue stirring until fully melted. Then, remove from heat and let it cool slightly. In a large bowl, whisk the eggs and vanilla extract until smooth. Slowly pour the warm chocolate mixture into the eggs while whisking constantly to prevent curdling. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve to remove any lumps. Pour the chocolate flan mixture over the hardened caramel in the mold or ramekins. Now it's time to bake. Place the mold or ramekins in a large baking dish. Fill the baking dish with hot water until it reaches halfway up the sides of the mold. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius, for 45 to 50 minutes or until the flan is set but slightly jiggly in the center. Once done, remove from the oven and let the flan cool to room temperature. Then refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight for the best texture. Finally, it's time to serve. Run a knife around the edges of the flan to loosen it, then invert it onto a plate. And there you have it, a perfect chocolate flan, ready to impress your friends and family. Enjoy your delicious homemade chocolate flan, and don't forget to share your creations with me in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!